wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 9 best sand tables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the constructive playthings indoor and outdoor is great for use in a classroom, and its casters make it easy to move outside on a nice day. This multifunctional choice can also be used for drawing, as its wide lid serves as a dry erase board. It includes handy side storage trays and is a moisture-resistant build, but it does cost a pretty penny. At number 8, kids will enjoy digging for buried treasure in the beachside cove of the Step 2 Fiesta cruise, or they can make the figurine slide down into the swimming pool. Scooping water into the yellow reservoir activates a fun hidden rain shower. It comes with a durable non-slip lid and is made in the USA. However, it is difficult to put together. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Wood Designs WD-11810 offers a UV-resistant natural finish that also protects against stains and damage from cleaning solutions, and its removable cover can double as a lower shelf for supplies. It's made with rounded edges and corners for safety. It's equipped with 2 casters for mobility and a plastic tray with a built-in drain, but the lid can warp over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sand tables, or simply click beneath this video. Moving up our list to number 6. Featuring 2 side-by-side chambers, the Step 2 Splash and Scoop Bay comes with a shark scoop, a bucket and an attachable tower to create an exciting waterfall splash. It conveniently provides a built-in hole for those who wish to add an umbrella. It comes with sturdy and stable legs and won't break the bank. However, it does tend to leak a bit. Halfway up our list at number 5. Give your kids some backyard fun on hot summer days with the Step 2 Cascading Cove. It's got 2 compartments for simultaneously building sand castles and sailing toy boats, and there's a molded roadway in the center for even more fun. It includes a durable 1-piece cover, and the water area holds 3 gallons, but the included umbrella feels a bit flimsy. At number 4, the children's factory Neptune is built to last for years as your tot grows. Its sturdy steel frame offers casters on all 4 legs for easy mobility, and its bottom is textured with fish, crabs and other creatures to encourage imaginative play. It's got 2 basins, both with drainage and storage slots in the lid. It's 36 inches wide. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, equipped with an adjacent water compartment, the Little Tikes Sandy Lagoon comes with 2 figurines, a shovel and a cup. Kids can place the characters in the floating inner tubes, race them down the slides, or launch them off the twin diving boards. It features brightly colored components and a cover that won't blow off. It's a breeze to assemble. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sand tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Little Tikes Garden will help your child develop a love for the outdoors early on. It features a deep basin that can be filled with pea gravel, dirt or water, and comes with some fun accessories like a shovel, a rake and a sifter. It also includes toy flowers and pots and a built-in rack for hanging up the tools. It's lightweight yet sturdy. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Step 2 Naturally Playful Center is a family favorite for its 2-in-1 functionality. It includes an 8-piece accessories kit with bridges, ramps, cups and boats, plus an umbrella to protect little ones from the hot sun. It's styled to look like wood and comes with elastic tie-downs on the lid and detachable legs for easy storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sand tables, or simply click beneath this video.